People production.
Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. I have some information for you to know. Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. Make sure say who no sub and click the belly no. Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. Lion foot now, take your fin up a pee show no. Vlog on the go, me a vlog on the go. Big up the gully, God me by your peace and your flow. Bless all and greetings, all of my viewers and subscribers. I hope all is well. Big up on yourself. All the new subscribers, them thanks for subscribing. Your support is all appreciated. Make sure you click the bell. Now, my people, this lady, she's a British living in Jamaica right now. You know what I mean? And she came out blasting the food for poor. She blasting the government them. You know what I mean? Say, boy, I'm turning a blind eye and the garrison them. As we say, you know, the rich is for the rich and the poor have to fight the struggle. You know what I mean? Another lady, I say, boy, the people in Bull Bay are suffer style, they must struggle, they must starve. You know what I mean? And she reach out to the food of poor and they must tell her be a crap. So she just come out and expose them. And see me, some people want to listen to what she say. And she's general style. I find it very disgusting. To the politicians, them, the MP, them are Jamaican, them can do a lot, you know, but they not do it. I mean, they must stuck up the money in their pocket. But my people want to hear what the lady I say. When you just listen and then you can leave in the comment in the description. Say peace.
I feel so distraught this morning, it's unreal. A really good friend of mine from the UK said to me when I told him what was going on, just try and help as many people, Shani, as you can. So I thought, okay, I ain't got the money to help people, but what I do have is a brain and a mouth and a voice. So I called Food for the Poor this morning. A very big organisation here, owned by the Foods, which I'm totally disgusted and feel heartbroken by the conversation I just had. I called to tell them that people in Bull Bay are starving. We found out that some people in Bull Bay have received food and others haven't. When I rang Food for the Poor this morning, I said, there are people starving to death in Bull Bay. They've had no food since the weekend or water. There are children over there. I am a British citizen living in Jamaica and I would like for you to help them as a charity. I was told that the food or whatever they had was passed to the government. My response was, why have you given it to the government and not carried it out directly yourselves, because the people will not get it? The woman said, well, if people you know are in distress, tell them to write a letter. I lost it on the phone. I said, write a letter. These people are not going to die from corona, they're going to die from starvation. And you are one of the biggest charities in Jamaica, and the Foods have made so much money off people with their businesses here that what, is this just a front now, this charity? You receive funds from the government as a non-profit, and there are people out here starving on the island, and you want to tell me that people need to write a letter? This is a crisis on this island. Yesterday I was really calm, but we need help on this island. Because we're not going to die from the coronavirus, we're going to die from starvation and lack of water, and that will be me included if we don't get some external help, because it hasn't affected the area that I live in right now. One area is locked down, but the plan, we don't know. Every single park could be locked down, and I can be in that position within the next few days. They have banned any pubs, any nightclubs, any private functions, any funerals with over 20 people. You can't even get married and have more than 20 people right now. But what is disgusting me is we have charities on this island like the Red Cross and Food for the Poor. When I actually went back to the lady at Food for the Poor and said, so you've given all your food, she actually then told me a lie and said they don't hold food on the property. I said, which is it? I said, don't worry about it, because if these people don't get fed, by 6 o'clock this evening I will go to every international media outlet. Worldwide, CNN, Al Jazeera, whoever I have to speak to, because I went through SARS in a Western first world country. Now I'm going through this virus in a third world country. And let me tell you, I'll be the last to be treated here. All flights grounded, everything, because I don't have the benefits, the same benefits as the locals here. But the way that the locals are being treated here is despicable. Wake up, government. Start helping people, start sending food where people are starving. You should be ashamed of yourselves. This is a beautiful, beautiful place with people. I cannot believe Food for the Poor want you to write a letter. There are no postmen on the street. How the hell are people supposed to write a letter when they're starving there and got kids to feed? We are a disaster area. We don't even have enough nurses. We're having to fly nurses in from Cuba. So we need help, and we need it now.
Some viewers and subscribers on the year are going. You know what I mean? The lady, you can see the lady get emotional. And yo, the Food for Poor, they need to do better, man, because you have the food, you have the money, because you get a lot of sponsorship all over the world. You know what I mean? And you know, I tell the ladies, if you tell the people them, the garrison for write a letter. Come on now. Lockdown. When am I gonna write a letter? When are you not gonna get the letter? If you don't get it. You know what I mean? When the claims when they give the government, them give the government them the food. So all the people them get the food. So me I say, me don't understand what's going on in Jamaica, you know, and them people that need to do better start. You know how much people going nightless without food. People used to sell them bag juice, them matches, them look seasoning downtown and can't get to do that because of this lockdown business. And we don't try to help the people them. We look at food or look at some look at check or some that's food, you know what I mean? Because food is more important right now. People them can't go look hustle them food. You know what I mean? Hustle them look for money for buy them food. That's what I say. And you know Jamaican people them try every little ways to make ends meet. You know, I don't thought the one them go thief or gun point or knife point. You see me? Grab people food. No. I thought the people them go hustle them honest bread, you see me? Yes, man, and them MP need to step up as well for them consistency and go give the people them attend to them and help them start. You see me I say, when you lock down the place and yet still, you know the people them that suffer. Come on, you know what I mean? People them vote for you win, and when you win, the politicians them, you know, them just turn a blind eye and treat, especially the garrison like John Crow. Let's get me I say, they keep big event ready for the health workers them, which is good. You know what I mean? You're up on the front line, the nurses and the doctors. But what happened to the poor people them? We see 1 and 2 artists like Styler G, Ramesh, Rhyme Sterling, help out the poor people in the ghetto. Come on, Prime Minister, step up. Yeah, man, step up, Mr. Prime Minister, and all of the MPs them, man. Step up and help on the constituency in the area, man, because the people them vote for you. You know what I mean? For putting in a power. You know what I mean? I know the people them are suffer starve. Big respect to that lady, the British lady from Jano from England, out there. Come like she face the crisis too. And, you know what I mean? And yeah, she said she's going to take it to the extreme. And I support her. You know what I mean? Expose them, the lady. Expose them, because them can do better and them not do it. My viewers and subscribers, let me know what you think. I'm out.